and warm greetings from Kenya. It is my pleasure to invite you to a special side event during the 78th World Health Assembly in Geneva, hosted by Kenya under the theme Sustainable Financing for Primary Healthcare, Kenya's Pathway to Universal Health Coverage. Join us on Thursday, May 22nd at 9 a.m. at the Hotel Intercontinental Geneva, where we will showcase Kenya's innovative and resilient primary healthcare financing models and share lessons that are shaping our journey towards universal health coverage. This event will also serve as a build-up to the World Health Expo Nairobi 2025, a global gathering set to take place this October. The WHX Nairobi will bring together leaders, innovators, and partners to explore impactful solutions at the intersection of health technology and sustainable investment. I warmly welcome you to be part of this journey where ideas meet actions and partnerships shape the future of health. My name is Mary Muthoni. I am the Principal Secretary for Public Health and Professional Standards in the Ministry of Health, Kenya. Karibuni sana. See you in Geneva and see you in Nairobi later in October. Thank you.